Hey there, it's Crafty Jennabug. I'm going to do a paint pour today. It's going to be one using the blow dryer. And first I'm going to put down a layer of white paint. And then I think I'm going to use a combination of red, orange, and black to try to make flames coming from one side. So we'll see how that goes. I've never attempted this before, but I'm hopeful. So let's get crafting, shall we? Alright, this is all dry. I kind of like it. It didn't turn out the way I had envisioned, but I can play on this technique a little bit. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. So in here, I really like the yellow lines, the really thin yellow lines in there. I think the black may not have been the best choice. I think this would have been better on a black background instead of with the white also. Maybe a little bit of white in here where red, you know, like super hot. I did have a little mishap up here. You can see the line where the paint just wasn't. It was really thick here, but it wasn't as thick here. So the paint didn't run the way I hoped it would, and I didn't pick up on that while I was working on it, so now it's too late. I like this little shadow thing going on here, a little ghosting effect, where the white paint got over some of the red and orange and black. All in all, I am very happy with it. I think it's cool for a, you know, first try kind of thing. Definitely going to play with this idea some more and change it up a bit. So, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you are inspired to attempt paint pours in your future. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, guys. So, give it a shot. Let me know if you do. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.